Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back and thank you for tuning in. This is Nana with Nana Knows, keeping you in the know on all the important topics and all the things you want to know. I'm back again today, and today we're going to talk about the EIDL. The EIDL loan grant stands for the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. And if you don't remember, I previously did a video regarding this EIDL, how to apply for it. And since the president has signed again on this economic relief bill, that opens up the door, that provides additional funding for the EIDL loan grant. So if you did not get a chance to apply previously, or if you never got an answer previously, this is your chance. This is your chance. Before we do that, before we get into discussing this EIDL grant and your opportunity to apply or receive funding again, and hit the like and subscribe button so I can continue to keep you informed and let you know as soon as that portal becomes available. I know I received a lot of comments and responses about people who did not receive the EIDL previously applied and didn't get it. So I want to cover some of the reasons why you may not have received the loan grant in the past. One of the main reasons that people did not get approved for the EIDL in the past is because you may not have had an economic injury or an economic loss. The SBA is looking for you to demonstrate that you lost money, and you lost money in 2020. But you were previously making money in the prior year, 2019. So that is one reason why you may have been denied. If you didn't have your business in existence in 2019, but you're claiming you had a loss for 2020, that's one of the reasons you may have not been approved. So also, one of the other reasons, the second reason why a lot of people may not have been approved is for your credit, especially if you're trying or interested in the loan. Your credit had to meet minimum standards and guidelines. You would not have been approved if your credit did not meet the requirements or did not meet the minimum standards or guidelines. Keep in mind, you still may have been eligible for the grant, regardless of your credit. But to get the loan, your credit did need to meet minimum guidelines. Another reason I have found many did not get the money or did not get a response is because your information you provided was incomplete or insufficient for the SBA, the Small Business Administration, to reach out to you or receive follow-up from you. With applying for the EIDL grant loan, all communication was through email. For the most part, you rarely received anything by mail. So if you did not provide a good email contact, you may have missed the SBA reaching out to you, or you may have missed additional or important information you needed to do or to provide. I know when I applied, initially, I missed out on the first amount of monies that were released. They reached back out to me through email again when funds were available again. So if I had not provided a good, reliable email that I regularly check, I would not have received that information and would not have known what next steps to take. Then also too, there was a problem with depositing the money to my bank account. So they reached out to me again by email. So that's why I say it's important you provided good email, good contact information to the Small Business Administration. 3 main reasons people may not have been approved or may not have received funding. Either your credit did not meet the guidelines, you had no economic injury that you could substantiate, no loss that you could show, or you were in the wrong time frame of applying or having a loss, or you provided incorrect or incomplete information. And that goes for everything. Maybe you didn't provide your EIN number or your social security number correctly on the application, or didn't provide your contact number, email, address information correctly. Reach out to the Small Business Administration regarding funding. Make sure you provide correct, accurate information so that they can reach back out to you. They are stating now that you should get a response from applying within 3 business days. So go ahead, submit those applications as soon as that disaster portal reopens, because right now it's only available for the loans. But once the portal opens for grants, if you haven't previously received the grant, you want to make sure you go ahead and you provide your information, provide good contact information. If you don't know how to complete the application for the EIDL, I did do a video giving you step-by-step instructions on how to apply. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I try and respond to all comments. Feel free to comment. If I don't know the answer, I'll research it, see if I can get an answer for you. It's going to be open to a number of businesses, small businesses, large businesses. As long as you have 300 or less employees, you're eligible to apply for this funding. You could be a hairstylist. As long as you're in a legal small business, you're considered as able to apply for this funding. This $20 billion will be used up very quickly, but it's available. It's out there. This is very good news. It's going to help some businesses stay afloat. Make sure that you're ready to apply when that funding, when that portal is open, when that funding is available. Again, thank you for tuning in. This is Nana with Nana Knows, keeping you in the know.